Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to play a Flash application or Flash apps in 2021. First option, you can use older Windows XP. You can use SP Service Pack 3. Let me show you. Right click on my computer and left click on properties, and you can see I'm using Service Pack 2 XP version 2002. And if you click on start again and click on control panel, you can see there is a flash player there. And okay, you can see that I can also right click directly. You can see that I will also play the flash on my Internet Explorer. View low block content and click yes, and then click tools so and turn off the pop blocker on the Internet Explorer. You can launch course. You can right click, left click again, and left click allow block contents and click yes, and you can see the flash player smoothly running on your VMware player. And the next, I will post the link to how to install Windows XP on the VMware player. The second option is you can use ruffle.rs. What is ruffle.rs? This is ruffle.rs. You can download here, scroll down here, and on the download sections, you can choose whatever browse whatever type of the application you need, desktop, or is it browser extension, or is it website. For instance, we will use browser extension. I will teach you how to install this one by one. First, click Firefox, and you will download Firefox, and then open your Firefox. On setting, go to okay. Next, go to Firefox, about debugging. Enter, and go to click this Firefox, and then click load temporary add-on, and then click the raffle download you just downloaded. In my case, it is in the downloads folder, and there it is. Click. Now after you click, you finish, you will see the raffle in the temporary extension list, and you go to ruffle.rs/demo, and can use sample as well here. Click, and you can use animation, or you can use games. This is flash that running on this is you can this is flash that running on the Ruffle emulation. You can see from, you can right click, you can see that this is using Ruffle, and this is flash.
Happy Harry.
Oh no, Adrian!
So can you
Looks like
also use games to test, or you can browse local SWF. Okay, next I will show you how to install it on Chrome. First, open your Chrome and go to ruffle.rs again. This time, scroll down, download the browser extension for Chrome. So click it and wait until finish download, and then now once you download it, go to three dots here and click settings, and then click extension, and then click developer mode, and then click load unpack. You can see I already download already load the raffle. Go to your download folder and go to your downloaded file raffle. You can see you can use raffle night web extension. Select folder and extension loaded. Now you can close the developer mode. You can go to ruffle.rs.demo/demo and play any file that you like. You can choose file. If you have, for instance, like this, you can choose index file. This is the local file that I have, and you can also use the file that the ruffle.rs website provided. Okay, it's now running. The SWF now running. Now it's time to test it on Google Chrome. On Microsoft Edge, I mean. First, you need to open Microsoft Edge and type Edge Edge extension colon extension slash extension, and then turn on the developer mode here, and then click load unpack. You can use the same Raffle Night with Chrome. Uh, you can just select folder here and close the developer mode. Turn on the developer mode. You can now test the Raffle using ruffle.rs slash demo. You can also, I forgot to mention, you can also use flash player test and click from ultrasound. You need to enable the raffle, so you need to enable it. The extension now reload. Now you can see the flash file played. You can click enter full screen. You can see about for raffle extension. This is raffle. Use and you can also use the sample from ruffle.rs demo, and you can also use flash. The next solution is you use Adobe Flash projector. You can download it from its from the website, the Adobe Flash player. You can click it Here you can just based on what you can use based on your operating system. I will use, for instance, download the Flash Player projector here. You can open and you can drag or you can paste. See,
Yes, this is Agent Johnson of the U.S. FBI. My president has instructed me
you
to
can
ask you for the
also
final time.
test the SOF from ultrasound, and if you click on project content bar debugger, you can also play it. This only play on standalone flash player, flash egg file only. See, it is also able to play.
Yes, this is Agent Johnson of the U.S. FBI.
Can also play game. Okay, one more thing, you can also use blue Maxima. You can go to the website Blue Maxima. This is another the last solution. And click the Blue Maxima's flashpoint and scroll down and click download flashpoint. You will download the dot. Or you can use the flashpoint 10 ultimate infinity or 10 core. We will choose the flashpoint infinity because it is smaller size than the flashpoint 10 ultimate. That is like 600 gigabyte. Click in download save as extracting package. It will download. It will start to download now. Wait until it finishes. I will pause the video. Now the flashpoint is already downloaded. This is the flashpoint 10.infinity.exe. Right click and place the folder that you want to place the extraction. I have the already extract, so we will open it on my computer here. This is Blue Maxima flashpoint, and you can see you can launch using launcher folder and click flashpoint.exe. It will take some time to load. I will pause the video. Okay, you can see this is the opening screen of Flashpoint 10 Blue Maxima. It will take a little, it will take a time, so I will pause video again. Okay, this is the opening screen of Flashpoint 10 Infinity Blue Maxima. You can see this is there is a random pick section here. You can play it. Uh, for instance, like this, you can play the animation. You can see the Blue Maxima is using the Adobe Flash Player as the previous solution that we just mentioned before. Click play and click play again. You can see. And you can close You can also click the games or animation here. Games tab or animation tab. You can choose whether you play games or you just want to watch animation. So in the below the on the left side, you can see there are a lot of category favorite, Flashbang Super, and Best Adult Swim, 10,001 video games you can choose. And it will take time and will require internet connection to download the thumbnail, and we will wait for a couple of minutes. So I will pause the video. Okay, after the thumbnail pictures appear, you can choose uh, what game you like based on this category. For instance, you want to play this. Uh, the description will appear on the right side. So I will pause the video. Okay, after you click Fast Points Over, it will appear every game you can play. You can click it, and you can click here play to play. You can watch you can see the description here, or you can use animation. Go to animation and scroll down. There's a lot games animation you can play. You can play here. Click play. You'll use other players player, and that's it for me for using Flashpoint. So let's recap. First, you can use uh, VMware player with Windows XP Service Pack 3. You can view. This is you can see that this is I'm using Adobe Flash Player 11. Adobe Flash Player 11.1.900.142. You can use Windows XP and running on VMware to look for as flash file or as WF file, but the lack the but this solution using this solution you cannot go to any web page because uh, Windows Explorer cannot open HTTPS file or HTTPS URL. This is the downside of using Windows XP. You can only look for local file if you're using this solution number one. The next solution is using ruffle.rs. You can use ruffle.rs on Firefox, Chrome, and Edge. We already demonstrate. The third solution is using the other Flash, using the Flash Player projector content debugger and Flash Player projector. You can download from here. And the fourth solution is using Flashpoint 10 Maxima. You can install and download from bluemaxima.org Flashpoints downloads. That's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. Thank you.